Welcome to Lion Tracks, 5 things to know for the week of January 26, 2026. Number 1. Sweetheart Dance. Student Council will host the Sweetheart Semi-Formal Dance on Saturday, February 7th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. at MVHS. Tickets are now on sale for $10. Stop by the table in the foyer at lunch and grab one for you and your sweetheart. Number 2. TEF Scholarship applications are now open. The application allows graduating students to fill out one application and check their eligibility for 35-plus community scholarships. Last year, TEF and its partners gave away over $446,000 in scholarship awards to TSD students. Scholarships are available for trade schools and certification programs, 2-year degrees, and 4-year degrees to help students reach their school and career goals. The link for the scholarship opportunity is in the newsletter. Number 3. Thompson Career Campus will be holding an open house soon. Discover your future at the Thompson Career Campus Open House. The open house will take place on Tuesday, January 27th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at TCC, located at 1811 West 15th Street in Loveland. Get ready to explore incredible career pathways that can shape your future. Health sciences, construction skilled trades, design and manufacturing, IT and cybersecurity, and emergency medical technician. Number 4. Students can now nominate their favorite educator for the 2026 Thompson Education Foundation Student Choice Educator of the Year Award. This award gives students the opportunity to recognize a teacher or staff member who has made a meaningful impact on their school experience. Nominations are now open. Don't miss the chance to celebrate an educator who makes a difference. The link can be found in the newsletter. Number 5. Here are some of the remaining key registration dates. On January 27th, counselors will go through the registration presentations during ELO. On February 5th, students will put in their registration selections into Zello. On February 10th through 12th, registration verification with counselors will take place in the cafeteria. On March 13th, all course override forms are due.